Hey there, all you lawn enthusiasts. Welcome to our exciting new video where we're about to embark on an experimental journey. I'm your host, and today I'm going to take one for the team, becoming the ultimate guinea pig in our quest to uncover the truth about laying sod over an existing lawn. We've heard conflicting opinions and theories on whether laying sod over an existing lawn is a viable option or a recipe for disaster. Well, it's time to put those theories to the test and find out once and for all. I've gathered high-quality sod and done my research, and now it's time to dive right into this daring experiment. But before we do, let's quickly go over the steps and preparations involved in laying sod over an existing lawn. I'll cover all the essential aspects to give our sod the best chance to succeed. I'm ready to get my hands dirty and see if this unconventional method works. Will it work, or will I encounter unexpected challenges? Join me on this journey of exploration and discovery as I take one for the team and push the boundaries of lawn care. I will be doing a follow-up video later this year to see how well it's doing. If you are considering trying this on your own lawn, then you won't want to miss it. So don't forget to subscribe to keep up with our latest videos and ring the notification bell to get notified when our new videos are published. So get ready to witness the surprising results as I lay sod over an existing lawn. Let's roll! Laying sod over an existing lawn requires some preparation to ensure successful results. Once covered, the old lawn will die quickly and provide nutrients for the sod. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to lay sod over an existing lawn. I've added one more step on my lawn, which is to sprinkle a thin layer of topsoil over the lawn before laying the sod. I believe this will give the roots a better chance to survive while the other lawn is breaking down. So let's begin. Start by mowing the existing lawn as short as possible and removing any debris such as rocks, sticks, or branches. Rake the area thoroughly to level the surface and remove any remaining loose grass or weeds. Before laying the sod, water the existing lawn thoroughly. This will help moisten the soil and provide a good base for the new sod. The soil should be damp but not overly saturated. Begin laying the sod by laying the first row of sod along a straight edge, such as a sidewalk or driveway. Unroll the sod and lay it against the existing lawn, ensuring there are no gaps or overlaps between the pieces. Use a sharp knife or sod cutter to trim the edges as needed to fit the desired shape of your lawn. In subsequent rows, stagger the sod pieces like bricks, so the seams between the sod do not align with one another. This will create a more stable and aesthetically pleasing result. Once the sod is laid, use a lawn roller or simply walk over it to ensure good soil-to-sod contact. This will help eliminate air pockets and promote root growth. Water the newly laid sod immediately and thoroughly to settle it in place. Aim to moisten the soil to a depth of 4 to 6 inches. Fill the gaps between the sod pieces with topsoil. Sprinkle grass seed over the topsoil and mix it in.
Really? Really?
Even new sod might have some dead spots. Spread some topsoil over these spots and mix in some grass seed. This is after I've filled all of the cracks between the sod pieces. And this is after I've mixed in the grass seed. Fertilizing newly laid sod is an important step to help it establish and develop strong roots. Here's how to fertilize newly laid sod. Choose the right fertilizer. Select a high-quality, slow-release, granular fertilizer specifically formulated for new sod or turf. Look for a fertilizer with a balanced ratio of nitrogen, N, phosphorus, P, and potassium, K, such as October 10-10 or 16-4-8. These numbers indicate the percentage of each nutrient in the fertilizer. Carefully read the instructions on the fertilizer packaging for the recommended application rates. Different fertilizers may have specific guidelines, so it's essential to follow them to avoid over or under fertilizing. Lightly fertilize the sod immediately after laying it. Sprinkle it over the sod by hand, or use a spreader or a handheld broadcast spreader to evenly distribute the fertilizer over the entire area of the newly laid sod. Be careful not to apply too much fertilizer in one area, as it can cause burning or uneven growth. After applying the fertilizer, thoroughly water the sod to help the nutrients penetrate the soil and reach the roots. Watering also helps prevent any potential burning caused by the fertilizer. Aim to moisten the soil to a depth of 6 to 8 inches. Follow up with regular watering. Continue to water the newly fertilized sod regularly according to the watering guidelines provided for your specific type of sod. This will help the fertilizer dissolve and provide nutrients to the roots. While fertilizing is beneficial for newly laid sod, it's important to avoid over-fertilizing. Applying too much fertilizer can lead to excessive growth, weak roots, or environmental pollution. Follow the instructions on the fertilizer packaging and consult with a local gardening expert if you have any concerns. Remember to maintain a regular fertilization schedule for your sod based on the specific recommendations for your grass type and climate. This will help keep your lawn healthy and vibrant throughout the growing season. Water the sod regularly, keeping the soil moist but not soggy for the first few weeks until the roots establish. This usually means watering daily or every other day, depending on weather conditions. Avoid walking on the newly laid sod until it is rooted firmly, which typically takes around 2 to 3 weeks. Follow any additional care instructions specific to the type of sod you've installed. Later this year, I will be doing a follow-up video to see how well the sod that I planted over my existing lawn is doing. If you are considering trying this on your own lawn, then you won't want to miss it. So don't forget to subscribe to keep up with our latest videos, and ring the notification bell to get notified when our new videos are published. Thank you.